Hello students, this is the continuation of chapter number 8, slide organization in PowerPoint. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to insert and format text box, inserting and formatting pictures on the Clipart, and inserting and formatting WordArt. So let us begin. Now you can see that this is my PowerPoint window, and this is the placeholder. Right now I have only one placeholder, and if you want to insert the text, simply click inside the placeholder and type the text that you want to insert. Suppose say, wishing you a very happy new year. Now if you want to format the text, simply select the text, and under the home tab and in the font group you will get all the formatting options. Suppose say this is the font color option, and you can choose the color according to your need. This is the font size option, so you can increase or decrease the size of the text, and this is your handwriting style. And beside this one, you can also make the text bold, italic, and underline. Now suppose say right now I have just only a single placeholder. Now if you want to insert the new text, or you may want to add more text than the area provided for entering text, so in this case you can take the help of a placeholder. It gives the facility to add more text to your slide. So text box is also a placeholder. Now let us see how to insert the text box. Click on the insert tab, and under the text group you can see a text box option. Simply click on the text box option and draw the required text box inside the slide. Now for that, press the left mouse button. Once you place the left mouse button, you can see that your pointer turns into a plus sign. Drag the mouse diagonally towards the right and just create the required amount of a text box. Now you can type a new text inside the text box. So let me type the text. Suppose say, for this new year brings all the happiness in everyone's life. Now see, I have created a new text box and I have entered the text also. So in this way, if you want to enter the text separately, you can go to the insert tab. From the text group you can select the text box option and drag on the slide to enter the or to create the text box. Now let me select the text in the similar way. Just choose the color or apply the color that you want to put. Let me slightly increase the size of the text. Let me change the font and let me make it bold. So in this way you can enter the new text inside the text box. Now how to format the text box? So to format the text box, click on the format tab here. So it will show all the effects or all the formatting styles that you want to apply to the text box. So these are the shape styles, and if you want to apply any of the shape style, you just click on this button and click on the shape. You can see that your text box is with a different background color. Now if you want to fill the shape with your own color, go to shape fill option here, click on the drop down arrow. So these are some of the colors that you can apply, or you may apply the pictures. You may go to the gradient and use the gradient. You can also apply the texture like the one that we have done in Microsoft Word. So use one of the texture that you want to apply here. Now suppose say you want to increase or you want to give the color to the outline. So how will you give the color to the or increase the shape of the outline? You need to go to the shape outline option, click on the drop down arrow, and let me go to the weight options and increase the thickness of the outline. Suppose say this one, you can clearly see that the thickness of the outline has increased. And let me give one color. Suppose say a red color or purple color. So in this way you can change the outline of the text box and apply the color. Now if you want to give the effects, that is for the formatting effects, go to shape effects here and you can see the presets. You can also apply the shadow for the text box. Again, go to the shape effect option. If you want to give the reflection, so you can give the reflection of your text. Choose on one of the option. You can see the reflection of the text below the text box. Again, go to the text effect option. You can give the soft edges. You can make the text box glow in this way, and beside that you can also give a 3D rotation like the one you can see behind. So in this way you can give a 3D rotation to the text box also. So this is how we insert and format the text box. Now next is say inserting clip art or a picture. So clip art is used to add pictures in the slide. Now for that, again, you have to follow the same process. Click on the Insert tab here. Now, just below the Insert tab, you can see the picture. Sorry, you can click the picture, insert the picture from your device. You can also insert the online pictures. You can insert the icons 3D model. So first, let me show you how to insert the online picture. Suppose, click here. This is the online picture. But make sure that you should have an internet connection. So here, let me select one of the picture from here. Suppose say the picture of celebration. Now see, you can use one of the picture, suppose this particular picture, and click on insert. Now you will see the picture is downloading the picture. Now you can see the picture is here. So click on the fill handles on the different places and just increase or decrease the size of the picture and place it into a different position. Now again, under the format tab you can see all the formatting styles for the pictures has been appeared here. So just click on this drop down arrow, you will get lots of picture style. Accordingly you can just apply the formatting style for the pictures in this way. Now next is picture border. If you want to give the border to the picture, click on the picture border and again slightly increase the width or the thickness of the picture border and apply one of the color for the border. And just like the one that you have done for the text box, there's a picture effects here, shadow. You can give the reflections, you can give the glow to the picture, soft edges and 3D rotation as I have showed you in the while applying the formatting option in the text box. Now next is applying WordArt feature. So let me go to the new slide and let me delete this placeholder. To delete the placeholder, just click on the boundary of the placeholder and simply place the or press the delete key from the keyboard. So now the placeholder has been deleted. So you see that the WordArt features, it helps us to create the special text effect. It also gives a unique look to the text. So using WordArt, we can make the text curvy, wavy, and we can also apply the 3D effects. So to insert the WordArt, click on the Insert tab and under the text group, just you can see a slanted area. We call this as a WordArt. So click on the drop down arrow and select one of the WordArt styling feature and you can see a placeholder has appeared where it has been written your text here. So type the text that you want to display. Suppose say we are from class 5. So let me click on this fill handle and slightly bring the text closer. Now from the shape style, if you want to fill the background color, just select one of the style you want and you can apply the background color. Now if you want to apply your own fill color, Then go to the shape fill. So here are some of the colors. You can also use the colors from here. If you want to apply the picture, click on the picture option. If you want to apply your own gradients, so these are some of the dark variation in the gradient. Here's a texture, and if you want to apply the texture, just select the required texture, and you can see the texture has filled up the WordArt. Now if you want to insert the picture, then again go to the shape fill. So I want a picture as a background for this WordArt feature. So let me go to the picture, and there are three different options, that is picture from file, online picture, and picture from icon. Now I have few of the pictures in my laptop, so I'll just select the picture from file. Suppose say let me insert this picture, the picture of Taj Mahal, and select the picture, click on insert. Now you can see the picture of the Taj Mahal as a background behind the text box. Now if you want to change the style of this handwriting, the WordArt style, then again you can go to the WordArt style here. So there are different WordArt styles. Just move the mouse pointer, so whichever the style you feel good, just click on it, so that particular style will appear. Now again go to the text online here, so you can slightly increase or decrease the outline of your text in this way, see here. And after that you can also apply your color for that one, for those text. Suppose say, just a minute, so just go to the text outline, and you can also apply the color to the text. So whichever color you want, you just click on that color. That particular color will appear as a outline for the text. Now next is text effects. So click on the text effect option. Similarly, you can give the shadow to your WordArt, reflection, glow. Now I just want to go to the text transform here. So, and I want to show the text in different shapes. So if you want to show the WordArt text in a different shape, click on the transform. So there are some of the shape style that you can apply to the WordArt. And after selecting the text, you can click on that particular option here. WordArt features get selected. So in this video I have showed you how to insert the text box and format it. I have also showed you how to insert and format the picture, and how to insert and format the WordArt. So this is all in today's video.